top 10 Instagram marketing tips before Christmas. You know, the holidays are coming and the weather is good. It might seem pretty weird that I'm wearing something that is very Christmas, and especially the stuff on my head. But thing is that you as a business and marketer should be ready before the holiday season comes. Now, I'll give you a few tips that may be inspirational for you, so please support me with like, subscribe button and notification button, the bell, and follow me on Instagram for more tips. Tip number 1, holiday should be like kind of creation and fun, and the competition, ads, promotions are everywhere. So be kind of native and think about how you can make your feed and interactions nice and human from your side. Don't be afraid to be a little bit fun. Don't be afraid to put this stuff on the head, even though because you attract attention. This is what is nice and what belongs to the holiday anyway. Prepare holiday guide for your clients and include very natively your product into it. It is useful, it is educational, it is nice and fancy, and you can promote really nicely your product or service. Don't forget to use IGTV video for boxing, unboxing, wrapping your presents, because you show how much you care about your clients getting presents and gifts done. Use it as a very good stuff to prove, as a social proof, that really some people were very happy to get presents from you and they should order, especially from you. Advent calendar can be part of your captions, part of your visual. You can prepare 24-25 posts that will look like a calendar from 1 to 25. The papers are flying, yeah. Organize giveaways. Give something that you don't sell before Christmas, but you can offer as a reward for your loyal customers. Also, drive more interactivity with your posts and stories. In stories, you can create stories where you hide certain products for a certain sticker, or you can ask people to interact with you and find 5 differences between 2 stories. You keep them watching stories a long time, and this is what Instagram thinks of, algorithm of Instagram thinks of, as of a high quality content when people are watching and looking at it many times and longer time. Use interactive stickers in your stories where you ask people to share their favorite Christmas song, carols, movies. People, they are thankful to probably favorite or the most awful presents. Try to ask feedback from them because people want to share. They want to be visible and important. Give them the place to share, and those will be your stories where you share maybe the user-generated content, and this will be as a proof for you that they are satisfied with your service or product, and moreover, they create the content instead of you. Very nice idea is to drive and ask them to finish the sentence when under the caption or under the feed post or visual or video, you ask them, finish the line. You can start the line like the worst present I've ever got for Christmas is, and they finish the line. Try to ask them to get involved and make it a nice place for them to be. Think about your branding and using your Instagram name tag when you use some leaflets or material that you wrap presents or parcels into, because people can scan and immediately come from the offline world to your online world and try to interact with them on the social media, not only Instagram but also Facebook, LinkedIn. Think about where else they can find you. And the last thing, relax, be fast and different. It's not important that you are trying to be better than your competition. Think about what you can make differently, because we are on social media, people want to communicate. Give them the place and the reason to speak, and they will like you, see you, love you, and buy from you. I'm Tami, follow me on Insta.presso. And I believe I can give you much more how-to videos, especially on Instagram. See you there, see you here.